Hey adventurers, do you want to learn how to play the worldwide treasure hunting game of geocaching? Well, then this video series is for you. This series of videos, especially this first one, is an easy to follow, up-to-date, great set of instructions on how you can get started playing the game of geocaching today. In this first video, we are going to walk you through what the game of geocaching is, what it isn't, and how you can get started playing for free. That's download the free app, set up your free account, and get outside and enjoy finding your first geocache. If you're finding these videos helpful, we'd really ask that you consider giving it a like and a subscribe, because that helps us know that we're getting you what you need. And if there's something you'd like to see that we don't cover, please make a comment in the comments below, because then we know what to add in future videos to help you. Okay, are you ready to go start trying to find some treasures in this worldwide game that starts right here in your neighborhood? Let's go geocaching. So you've heard about this game, but you really don't understand what it is, so no problem. At its heart, geocaching is a family-friendly, fun game of finding hidden treasures nearly anywhere in the world, and most certainly in your neighborhood. It's free to get started, it's free to play. All you need is a mobile phone, iPhone or Android, it really doesn't matter, a pen or a pencil, and most importantly, a sense of adventure. Once you've watched the video and you're all ready to get out and play, what you're going to do is you're going to use the app on your phone. You're going to use that to navigate to the general location of where the geocache is hidden. Use your smarts, use the clues, and find the geocache. Then, once you find it, you're going to take the piece of paper out of the geocache, sign your name on it, and then trade fairly for anything that might be in there that you might want to keep for yourself, and then put everything back the way you found it. And then there's just one more step. Using the app on your phone or on your home computer, you're going to go and log your find electronically to prove that you found that geocache and get your smiley face reward to add to your growing collection as you enjoy playing this game. Let's go show you how to get your free app and your free account and get ready to head outside and start geocaching. All right, adventurers, for step one, we'll get the app installed on your smartphone so we can get going. From the App Store for your phone, search for geocaching. There may be several apps available, but we want to start with the official geocaching.com app with the green geocaching icon from Groundspeak Inc. This one here. Download and install it for free, and next we'll create our free account. Step 2, adventurers, is to create our free account. Now launch the geocaching.com app on your mobile phone and tap the Sign Up green button. You'll need to enter in your email address, and then you have to choose a geocache username. Like many other services, you can't use a name that someone else already has, so this step may take you a few tries until you land on one that works for you. Now, enter in a password for your new geocaching account and then tap the box to accept the Terms of Use agreement and choose if you'd like to be on the mailing list for geocaching. Once you're all done, click Sign Up, and an email will be sent to your email account to have you validate that you are a for-real geocaching adventurer. Once you acknowledge that, you can tap Continue, and you'll be asked if you want to upgrade your free new account to a premium account. For now, just tap the X in the top left of the screen. We'll explain premium accounts later in this video, once we get out and find our first cache. The next screen you'll see is a great safety reminder. Read through that and then tap I understand, and we'll finally see the geocaching map. Clicking Show Me means that the geocaching app will use the closest traditional type cache to you to give an idea of how this all works. So now you've got the free app, your free account, and we are ready to go try finding a geocache. Now, with the app installed and your free account set up, it's time to go and find the geocache, but a couple of things we should think about first. The first type of cache you're going to want to find are what are called traditionals. Now on the map, they're going to look like these little green boxes, but also important to note, there are some gray boxes on the map as well. And those are restricted until you become a premium member. And that's why we've been talking about the premium membership. Again, keep watching and we're going to explain all of that. But for now, just to get started, let's go look for one of these traditional green geocaches. Once you've been able to use the app to navigate your way close to where the geocache is hidden, that's the area that's called Ground Zero, or GZ if you're a geocacher. Once you get there, it's time to put the phone away and start using the hint and the size of the geocache to narrow down exactly where it might be hidden. All right, well, we found it. And that one was kind of neat. That was a different kind of hide. You will sometimes find those fake rocks and fake branches and things like that. So those are pretty tricky. But generally, you're going to look for one of these standard types of containers. And we're going to show you some examples here of different types of containers that geocaches might be hidden with. Now, these range from different sizes, from what we call micros to small and regular, and even large geocaches like these. Okay, well, now that we've found the geocache, the next thing we're going to do is log it in the app. Let's show you how to do that. So with the geocache you just found selected and opened in the geocaching official app, you'll tap the log button, which will bring up two choices for you, either a found it or a DNF, or did not find log. Since we did find this cache, we'll tap found it. Now we'll just type in a little something here to share with the cache owner, or CO, as well as anyone who comes after you and checks the logs on this geocache. This is public information, so be kind and don't give anything away about the hide itself, as you don't want to spoil the next adventurer's experience. Okay, once you're done, tap Post to submit your log. Now you've just completed finding and logging your first geocache. Congrats, adventurers! So as you've seen on the geocaching app screen, some of the geocaches simply aren't available until you subscribe for a premium membership. Let's talk about that. Premium geocaching membership is going to cost you $40 US, but there's really two questions to keep in mind. One is, why do you want to pay the $40 US? And two is, when should you pay the $40 US if you decide it's for you? So let's first talk about why. Paying for a premium membership, the number one thing it does for you is it unlocks all geocache types for you, all geocache hides. There's no more grayed out ones. You can go and find any of the geocaches on the map. That helps you out a lot. So that's the first and the main reason. Additionally, it's going to unlock a lot of other features. You're going to get your own personal stats. You're going to get the ability to get notifications on the app. You're going to get access to other maps. And And favorite points are another thing that you're going to be able to grant to people who hide caches you like. You'll also get notifications. Did I already say notifications? I don't think I did. But you'll get notifications when new caches are hidden and a bunch of features like that. I'll put a link down below so that you can go and check out all the details about getting a premium membership if you want to do that. So now the second question, when should you do it? Ultimately, it comes down to, are you seeing a value in this for the way you want to play the game? Do you want to unlock all those other caches right now? Do you want to start seeing your own geocaching stats right now? So it's a question of, when is $40 US enough value to you to go and enjoy this great game? You make the call. Tell us in the comments below. Have you decided? Have you purchased a premium membership? Are you enjoying this game? Has this video helped you to start playing this game? We'd really love to hear from you. We'd also really like to hear in the comments below if there's something else you want us to cover in future videos as we continue this Introduction to Geocaching 101 series. All right, so if this video has been helpful for you, please consider giving it a like, subscribe if that's what you're into, and share it with your friends if you found it's been helpful. All right, but most importantly, get out there, go enjoy this global family-friendly treasure hunting game. And on top of all of that, remember to cache safely and cache often.